This one. This is just patong-patong. Okay? If you notice, you have one that goes that way and one that goes that way. Right? So, what did you do? Again, this one doesn't have any marker. Okay? Just the yellow ochre base. Okay? Now, after the yellow ochre base, you spray with fixative and then, erase first the side and spray with fixative. We are talking of the base only. Now, this one, what do you think? How many layers of pastel? 3. 3 layers. The first layer is the yellow ochre. There, the yellow ochre. And then you erase the side. This is without marker. You erase the side and spray with fixative. Okay? Next layer is the brown color. This one. Okay? So you burnish everything, and then you erase. You start first with the horizontal part. When you erase, you are going to expose the yellow ochre, creating horizontal lines or horizontal streaks. Okay? Next, after you have created and erased the brown, you erase the side and spray with fixative. That is the second layer. And the third layer is again the brown. Burnish the brown, and then this time when you erase it vertically, so that you can create streaks, vertical streaks, until you see that they overlap like that. Okay, you erase the side and spray it fixative, and then you get this one. Okay, the rest are just erase and burnish. The others were created because of colored pencil, the texture like this.